really important to have the same result when you run your program. So, what exactly is reproducibility in machine learning means? So, reproducibility, as I said, means getting the same results anytime, anywhere, whether you or your teammate, or even after 1 or 2 months, even 1 year. If your accuracy or prediction change every time, your experiment is not reproducible, and which is a good, let's say, not a good indication about your system. So, and why we need, let's say, reproducibility? Why it's a big deal? Because without reproducibility, we can't trust our system, our result. So imagine you publish a model today and tomorrow it's performed differently. I think that is bad. And reproducible build trust, reliability, and let's say scientific integrity. It's a backbone of machine learning collaboration. But there are several, let's say, factors that affect the reproducibility, which is, as you can see, for instance, we have model, code, data, and performance metrics. This is the model, and we have several, let's see, let's see, factors, which is random seeds, which is control any random behavior in your in your code. So this you have to to import, let's see, Python, import random, and set the seed. So once you run the program, for instance, you have to select, you need to select randomly, let's see, some images for the training, some images for the testing, and etc. So without these seeds, you will have select differently every time. You will it will be differently. So that using seeds, it will show that you will have the same, let's see, results or selections, which is indeed good metrics. And the next one is the environment. Let's say Python version, maybe OS and library that you use, and how to control this. You need to use, for instance, Docker image, or maybe let's see, Beauty that I'm using in all of my projects, or maybe you can use Anaconda and etc. So make sure that you have the same versions, the same, let's see, packages is running in your site, and also in with your colleagues or teammate. And the dependencies, it has exact version of packages and also frameworks. And every time, let's say, you shuffled the data split, or more maybe model initialization uses randomness. So by setting random seed, you lock that randomness so the result stay the same. And it's, let's say, it's easy to add this. It's like, as I said, import random, and random.seed, for instance, add a number, and it will be giving you the same randomness. And I think that's it. And maybe as a hint, try to use the environment has to be identical with the packages, versions of the packages, and to make sure that this won't be changed in any circumstances. I think that's it for today. And if you have any question, just drop it out in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.